In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in Monday.com. We'll walk through how to use Monday.com updates and mentions to trigger email notifications to the right people, all from within your workspace. This is great for keeping communication tied to the exact item you're working on. Start by opening Monday.com and landing on your home view. From here, head over to Workspaces. You'll see all the spaces you have access to, each containing boards for different teams or projects. Choose the workspace where your project lives so everything you do stays organized and easy to find later. At the top, look for the plus icon. Click it whenever you need to add something new. If you don't already have a board for this project, select Board to create one now. If you already have a board, simply open it. You can also click Board again here to jump into your existing boards list. Once you're inside the board, open the item you want to communicate about, sometimes called the project or pulse page. This is where all the context, updates, and files for that item live. In the Updates section, click into the message box. To notify someone, type the @ symbol @. This opens a menu that helps you quickly mention the right recipients. You can choose people to tag individual teammates so they're notified about this update. If the message applies to a broader group, choose teams to notify everyone in a specific team at once. Select the person or team you want from the list. You'll see their name added directly into your message, confirming they'll be included. Now write your update clearly. Briefly state what's happening, what you need, and any relevant details that will help the recipient act quickly. Keep it focused on the item so the conversation stays actionable and easy to follow. If you need to reach multiple people, just type @again and add each one. When your message is ready, click Update to post it. The tagged people will be notified inside Monday.com, and depending on their notification settings, they'll also receive an email so nothing gets missed. Tagging a team is especially helpful when the entire group needs to be looped in at once. That's all there is to it. You navigated to your workspace, opened or created the right board, drilled into the item, used @mentions to select people or teams, and posted your update. It keeps communication centralized and ensures the right people are notified by email without leaving Monday.com.